Good day, grade 1. So, are you ready for our new lesson for today? Okay. What have you observed in our group 1 and group 2? Okay, very good. They have smiley faces. How many smiley faces do we have in group 1? Very good. We have 4 smiley faces. How about group 2? Another very good. It's 6 smiley faces. So we have here the question, how many less smiley faces does group 1 have? Okay, very good. The first group has 2 less smiley faces. How many more smiley faces that group 2 have? How many more smiley faces does group 2 have? Okay, very good. The second group has 2 more smiley faces. Great job, you got the correct answer. So today, we will learn finding how many more. So this would be our lesson 3, finding how many more. So our aim for today will be students will be able to find how many more or less. Students will be able to find how many more or less. So in this lesson, we will learn how many more or less something has. So this would be our activity. The instruction will be from the name listed below, write how many more or less letters each name has. We have the names of Yumi, Cassandra, Gaya, Jeremy, and Nino. So let's have letter A. We have Nino and Jeremy. So which of the following is less? Okay, very good. Nino is less and Jeremy is more. Now, the question is, how many less and more did Nino and Jeremy have? Okay, if you will see on the Nino is less. How many blank spaces do we have here? Okay, very good. It's 2. So we can say that Nino is 2 less. How about Jeremy? It's 2 more. Very good. Now I want you to answer B and C in your notebook. I'll give you time to answer it. But you need to pause the video and able for you to finish first your activity. Okay, time is up. So I guess everybody are done answering. LRB, we have Yumi and Gaya. What have you observed with Yumi and Gaya? Okay, very good. They have the same number of letters. So we'll just put same. Did you got the correct answer? Very good. How about letter C? We have Cassandra and Jeremy. Which of the following is more? Okay, very good. Cassandra has more and Jeremy less. So how many more does Cassandra have? Or more letters have? Okay, if we will count here, 1, 2, 3, that is 3 more. While Jeremy, 1, 2, 3, that would be 3 less. How did you find the answer? Okay, so we can first, enable for us to find the answer, we need to line up the letters of the name so that each letter match a letter in other name, as we did in our table. Where there are extra letters on the other side, we know that the other word has more letters. And if it is less, if there is no extra letter, we will know it is less. But then if they have the same number of letters, the same in our letter B, Yumi and Gail, we'll just put same. We have the name of Kathleen and Trisha. Kathleen and Trisha. So the first thing we need to do is to input the name of each letter of Kathleen and Trisha in a box. Okay? Now after we put the name of Kathleen and Trisha, we have matched the letters of their name. Okay, so which of the following would be the more and less? Okay, very good. Kathleen has more and Trisha has less. So how many more does Kathleen have? Okay, very good. That is 2 more. How about Trisha? Trisha has 2 less. So which has more and less letters? If we will just observe the box that we presented of our each letters in our names, we can see that Kathleen has more letters while Trisha has less letters. I guess all of you the correct answer for this activity. So now that you know how to find how many more, how many less, I want you to answer or get your workbook in Math Quarter 1. Answer seat work number 3, finding how many more in page 12. Seat work number 3, finding how many more in page 12. And do not also forget your assignment in block 2, lesson 3, practice questions number 1 to 3. After taking a picture or photo of your workbook and your assignment, you can attach it in our classwork activity for today. So that would be all for today. God bless.